Hello children, we have completed the chapter data handling. In that, I am giving you today the assignment questions from this chapter only. If you open the page number 71, in that try these questions are there. See, draw an appropriate graph to represent the given information. See the first question, they have given the months and number of watches sold in that particular month. For this, which graph is suitable? Bar graph, right? So first one, bar graph. Then if you see the second, children who prefer school, who prefer walking, cycling. School A, number of children. How many? 40 like walking, 45 like cycling. In school B, 55 like walking, 25 like cycling. Say 15 like walking, 35 like cycling. So here they are comparing the activity walking or cycling. So comparison of two quantities we can do in the double bar graph. So double bar graph you have to draw for this second question. For first one, bar graph. If you see the percentage, see here third one, percentage wins in ODI by 8 top cricket teams. They have given 8 top cricket teams, and in the ODI matches, which team may win? They have given the percentage of winning possibility, that is from Champions Trophy to World Cup. How much percentage they had in the 2006. So last 10 ODI in 2007. Right? So these are what? 2 they have given. So what you have to do here? Here also they are comparing. So here also you can draw the double bar graph. 2 years they are comparing, right? So double bar graph. Along the y-axis, you have to consider this percentages, or they have given the number from Champions Trophy to World Cup 6. This percentage of winning you have to consider along the y-axis. Next, in the page 72, try these. A group of students were asked to say which animal they would like most to have a pet. The results are given. Means a group of students are asked that which animal they like to keep as pet. So they have answered here. See, some says dog, some says cat, fish, rabbit. Yes, like this few students said here. So for this what I had to do? Make a frequency distribution table for the same. Frequency distribution table. See here. Like this I had to make a table. Here what I have to make? Here pet animal, first column, name of the pet animal, then its tally marks and how many number of students like. Number of students like. Similar way. Instead of subject I had to write the animal, pet animal name, then tally marks, number of students. Similar way here to make for try this one. These questions what I am telling now, all these you have to solve in the assignment notebook what you have done already. Okay, see the next one. In the page number 73, try this. Study the following frequency distribution table and answer the questions given below. Here they have given one frequency table. You have to study that, and by studying that, by observing that, you have to answer these questions. So this question you have to solve in the textbook itself. No need to write in the notebook. Write with a pencil the answers of these questions. Now, question number 2. Construct a frequency distribution table for the data on weights in kg of 20 students of a class using intervals 30 to 35, 35 to 40 and so on. Here They have given weights of 20 students. You have to construct a frequency distribution table for this given data. So make a frequency distribution table by making columns as weights of students in kg, that is class interval, because they have given here class interval you have to make 30 to 35, 35 to 40, difference is what here 5. So next will come 40 to 45, 45 to 50, 50 to 55. See the given data, it is up to 65. So up to that you have to make a class interval and you have to write the frequency distribution table. Next, in the page number 75, try this. Observe the histogram and answer the given questions below. You have to analyze it. By analyzing that, you have to answer. So these answers you write in the textbook itself. Same question continues here. Write answer in the textbook. Page number 76. Okay. After that, page number 77, it is continuing. No, try this in this. Go for next. Page number 78. In that, each of the following pie chart gives you a different piece of information about your class. Find the fraction of the circle representing each of these information. Here they have given you the percentages. You have to find out the fractions. Such questions we have done in the exercise. Refer that and do it here. Now, question number 2. Answer the following questions based on the pie chart. See the pie chart and answer the questions in the textbook here only. But for the question 1, no need to draw these diagrams. Just you answer. Next. That is the example, page number 79. Next, if you see the page number 80, they have given example here. Go through these examples, children. Page number 81. Try these. Draw a pie chart of the data given below. The time spent by a child during a day. A child is spending time in a day. How it is spending? What are the activities it is going through, or what are the activities it is taking? So it is doing which activity? Sleeping 8 hours, school 6 hours. Child is going to school for 6 hours and it is doing homework for 4 hours and it is playing for 4 hours. Then other work it is doing for 2 hours. These are the activities of a child in a day. So for this you have to draw a pie chart. Before drawing a pie chart, you have to find out the central angle. One table is there, no? For that, draw the central angle table, calculate, then you draw the pie chart. This is activity for you. Try this question is activity. This you people write in the A4 size sheet. A4 size sheets. This is activity. Next, think and discuss and write. See which form of graph would be appropriate to display the following data. They are asking which type of graph is appropriate for these. First one, production of food grains of a state. They have given the production of food grains. Here they have given and production in lakh tons they are given. Lakh tons, okay. So that is 60, 50, 70, 55, 80, 85. See, this one you can represent by using a bar graph and you can also use a pie chart also. Okay. Then second one, Choice of food for a group of people. For group of people, there is a survey done. So which type of food they like, they asked here. Different North Indian, South Indian, Chinese, others. See, they have given here number of people like the North Indian food, South Indian food, Chinese food, or other type of food. They have asked the number of people given here. If you observe here, number of people are given as well as total is given. So in this type of question, you have to go for the pie chart. They are not specifically asking you. You can draw this one for the by using a bar graph also, but they have given the total here. Among the total, they are asking. So you have to use the pie chart. Next, question number 3. The daily income of a group of factory workers. A group of factory workers. Whenever there is a class intervals is given in the chart or in the question, class interval and its regarding information is given, you should compulsorily go for the histogram. No other graph. Histogram. Class intervals are represented in the histogram or by using the histogram. These are all you have to plot in the graph sheet. Then that you have to stick in the assignment notebook. Then page number 83. In that, if you come in the bottom place, try this. If you try to start a scooter, what are the possible outcomes? Possible outcomes. See, I wanted to tell you that don't go for practical work. Think and write. Question 2. When a die is thrown, what are the 6 possible outcomes? You know. In the page number 84, they have given here question number 3. When you spin a wheel shown, what are the possible outcomes? List them. Outcome here means the sector at which the pointer points. Answers you write here only. With a pencil, you write here only. Before what they asked, question number 1 and 2 in the 83. Those also you answer in the textbook. And question number 3 also in the textbook. You have a bag with 5 identical balls of different colors, and you are to pull out to draw a ball without looking at it. List the outcomes you would get. 5.10 figure you have to see. By seeing that, you have to write the list of outcomes. There are different, how many balls they have given here? Different 5 identical balls but different color. So you have to pull out, you have to draw, means you have to take out the ball from this pot or balls from this bag. So what are the outcomes of taking balls outside? Means you have to write the total outcome right here only. Page number 85, nothing. Then page number 86. Try this. Suppose if you spin the wheel, here they have given the wheel. List the number of outcomes of getting a green sector. See, there are so many sectors in the spinning wheel. Those are green, red, green, 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 red, green, red. Yes, I have counted in the clockwise. List the number of outcomes of getting a green sector and not getting a green sector on this wheel. So I have to list the number of outcomes of getting a green sector. What are the outcomes of getting green sector and as well as getting the green sector on this wheel, not getting on this wheel. Not getting and getting separately you write for the question 2. for the question 1. Then question 2. Find the probability of getting a green sector. You have to write the probability. In the question 1, they are asking only outcome. But in the question 2, you have to write the probability. First you write the outcome for the question 2, then it is easy for you to write the probability. Find the probability of getting a green sector. Then find the probability of not getting a green sector. See, what outcomes I have written in the question 1, those only you have to use for 2 and 3, because we want only probability in the 2 and 3. Next, if you observe in the page number 87, finally they have given what we have discussed, points they have given here. Definition of raw data. And if you turn the page, in the page number 88, they have given what is the definition for frequency, and what is histogram, what is group data, what is pie chart, what is the likely, equally likely outcome, probability of an event definition, and all they have given. Please go through this. And this completes the chapter. From tomorrow, we'll start the square and square roots.